Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to reverse a string using recursion. So let's start this with the program. Here in the first line, this line defines a function named reverse string that takes one argument s, which is the string you want to reverse. The function will be called recursively to reverse the string. Now here in the next line, this is a base case for the recursion. The base case defines the condition under which the recursion will stop. In this case, the recursion stops when the string has only one character or no characters. If the length of string s is less than or equal to 1, that is, it's a single character or an empty string, the function simply returns the string as since a string of length 1 or 0 is already reversed. Now in the next line, if the string has a length of 1 or less, it is returned unchanged. This prevents further recursion when the string becomes too small to process. Now here in the next line, this is the recursive case. Here this refers to a substring of s that starts from the second character, index 1, to the end of the string. This effectively removes the first character of the string, and the function then calls itself with the smaller substring this to reverse the remaining part of the string. After the reversed substring is obtained, the first character this, which was removed earlier, is added to the end of the reversed substring, effectively reversing the string in the process. Here the recursion continues until the base case is reached. Now in the next line, this line prompts the user to enter a string using the input function. Enter a string is the prompt text that will be displayed to the user. The function returns the user's input as a string which is stored in the variable input string. Now in the next line, in this line here, this line calls the reverse string function passing input string, the string entered by the user, as the argument. The function will recursively reverse the string and return the reversed version which is stored in the variable reversed string. Now here in the last line, this line prints the result to the console. The string reversed string is displayed as the label followed by the value of reversed string variable which is the reversed version of the string input. So let's check this program. Hence I have entered a string and this is the reversed string. So thanks for watching this video.